Man, door, hand, hook, car, door.
Man and girl go out to drive. They stop at a side of road. He turned to his girl and say,
Baby, I love you very much.
What is it, honey?
Our car is broken. The engine is broken. I'm going to walk to get some more fuel. Because fuel will fix a broken engine.
Okay, I'll stay here and look after the stereo because there have been news reports of stairs being stolen.
Good idea. Keep the doors locked no matter what. I love you, Sweaty.
So the guy left to go get fuel for the car. After 2 hours, the girl thinks, where is my baby? He was supposed to be back by now. Then the girl not there, hear a scratching sound and voice say,
Let me in.
Then after a while, she goes to sleep. The next day, she wakes up and finds boyfriend still not there. She gets out to go check.